Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We bring you greetings of peace and blessings from the people of South Africa and the Royal House of Mandela. Today, we bring you a message of solidarity from all peace and freedom-loving people of the world. We stand with the people of Kashmir in their struggle for justice and self-determination. The Royal House of Mandela stands with the people of Kashmir, and we have supported their struggle for decades, and we continue to support them and their struggle until justice prevails and the provisions for self-determination under international law is realized. We unequivocally condemn these actions and demand that India respect international law or face the full consequences of its crimes against humanity, genocide and ethnic cleansing of occupied Kashmir. Our global icon, President Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, said that as long as there is a single human being suffering anywhere in the world, our struggle is far from over. We say to the people of occupied Kashmir that your struggle is our struggle, and that as long as your rights under international law are being violated, we stand by you and will stand with you until you realize your freedom and self-determination. I thank you.